Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Cosplay with Arena. In this video, I'm gonna be talking a bit about on my Judge uniform from the 2012 film Dredd starring Carl Urban. Now keep in mind though, this isn't actually based on the actual Judge uniform that the main character wears. This is kind of like my own take on the uniform. Personally, like my own personalized Judge, or as you could tell from my badge right up here, Judge Bunton. So basically what exactly I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna break down all the components, what I printed, what I sourced, and how it's all put together. And without further ado, let's get straight to it. Alrighty, so before I get into anything else, the some of the leather components, let's say like the jacket, the gloves, and the boots, which I have back up in the house, is from Leather Next, and they just got them in my size, and they pretty comfortable to wear and excellent quality, and also the vest right up here is also from Leather Next, but I got it secondhand from someone locally, and I just molded and casted my own Judge badge with my surname on it. So the gloves right up here are also from Leather Next, and they fit really nicely, comfortable, accurate, and they actually look the part. So yeah, that's actually one of the big stuff out of the way. Leather Next, highly recommend their products. So and also the pants down here is actually some motorcycle pants that I got on eBay, which is actually a much cheaper alternative rather than spend some extra bucks on getting some pants from Leather Next, which I'm gonna be getting these pants with the knee pads that are also from Leather Next, velcroed on here, and also color up that and the elbow pads to be accurate to what it is in the movie. So alrighty. So basically we're gonna be moving on to the duty belt. The belt buckle right up here came from Costume Based up in eBay. It's actually die-cast metal, and it's got a nice metallic sheen. And the Glock magazine holders right up here are actually from Jeff over at Studios Creations. He actually got one of the screen use components on the actual Judge uniform, and as well as study them and able to make replicas for people who want to replicate theirs. And in here I got some 3D printed Glock 17 magazines just to fit the parts, and it just fits perfectly in there. And the belt strap and all the levers that you saw here, minus the magazine holsters and the respirator pouch here, came from Letters of Mark on Etsy. Whereas the front magazine holsters and the respirator pouch came from Cosmic Workshop. And the Lawgiver drop holster here is actually from Daniel, who I'm also friends with him on the Facebook group. See, this is actually made out of Caltex, which is the same material that they use in like gun holsters, magazine holsters, and knife sheaths. And for my surprise, the Lawgiver that I actually printed fits in there perfectly, and it's just the right size. So I'm very pleased with that. And to finish up the holster as well, I got these Cobra buckles on Etsy, and also some Cobra buckles that goes around the legs with some elastic sewn onto it. So and also I forgot to mention too, this is the helmet kit that I actually got on eBay. It's a pretty gorgeous looking helmet. Me and an assistant of mine have already did some body work onto this, as well as cutting out the opening so it'll be ready. And even without the paint and the lenses, which I'll just put it on, fits me like a glove. Well, with the paint in there, it would pretty much be a much better fit. So yep. And I'm not even sure if the camera could pick up on this, but there's some marks, let's say right along here and somewhere else in the helmet. The sculptor has actually recreated some dents that are actually on the helmet, which might come in handy whenever I'm wearing it. So that's it for the helmet. All the arsenals and the weaponry that are in this uniform, I actually did the 3D printing because I just thought it'll be better for me to do some of my own work. For example, like the Booker knife, which I 3D printed, assembled, and the belt clip, and it actually flips open. And the good part about this one is that it's actually convention safe, and you wouldn't have to worry about getting caught with it. So it just folds right up, and just slots in there. The gas grenade, the breech mine, the magazines, and then I just turn around here. The respirator, as well as the med kit, is actually a mixture of 3D printed parts and actual medical supplies. Let's say like the foamer here is actually 3D printed. The One Touch is that I got on AliExpress and I painted it. And the syringes and the shears I got on eBay, and it just fits in there nicely, and it just closes up like so. And the handcuffs right up here I actually got on Etsy as well, and they do actually function like an actual set of handcuffs. And also yep, that's. And also, the main part that we're focusing on this video, or possibly the next video, is we're actually going to be finishing up the arsenal. Let's say like the lawgiver, the magazines for it, the flashbangs, and as well as the medical stapler for the med kit. And the biggest build that I'm actually doing on the suit is actually fitting the knee pads into the pants, finishing the helmet as well as the boots. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments below on what you reckon I should work on next, whether it's the helmet, the flashbangs, the medical stapler, the lawgiver with magazines, or in fact finishing up the boots. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and I'll have to figure out which I'll tease in the next video. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, like, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next video, as well as in Mega City 1.